The filmmaking industry is evolving fast, and Sony knows it better than anyone. With the Sony FX3 II on the horizon, the company is aiming to redefine compact cinema cameras yet again. But why is Sony launching this camera now? What problems is it solving? And how does it stand out in an increasingly competitive market? In this video, we dive deep into everything we know so far about the rumored Sony FX3 II and how it could change the game for filmmakers. The original Sony FX3 was a massive success, bridging the gap between mirrorless cameras and dedicated cinema cameras. However, technology is advancing rapidly, and Sony sees the need for an upgrade to keep up with industry trends. The FX3 II is rumored to bring major improvements in image quality, processing power, and usability. But more importantly, Sony is responding to user feedback and addressing key issues that filmmakers faced with the first-generation FX3. In a world where 8K video is becoming standard and AI-powered autofocus is revolutionizing cinematography, Sony wants to make sure that its compact cinema line remains at the top. With competition from Canon's EOS R5C, Panasonic's Lumix S1H, and Red's Komodo lineup, the FX3 II is Sony's answer to the growing demands of filmmakers and content creators. Sony is not just making minor refinements. It's bringing real, impactful changes to the FX3 lineup with the anticipated Sony FX3 II. This next-generation camera is set to elevate professional filmmaking with groundbreaking improvements in sensor technology, video resolution, autofocus, design, and battery life. Let's dive into the most exciting rumored enhancements. One of the most revolutionary upgrades could be the inclusion of a 12.9 MP global shutter sensor, a major leap forward for cinematographers and content creators. Unlike conventional rolling shutter sensors, which scan an image line by line, often causing distortions in fast-moving subjects, a global shutter captures the entire frame at once, eliminating rolling shutter artifacts. This means no more warped propellers in drone footage or skewed moving cars in high-speed chases. Every frame remains distortion-free. Imagine shooting high-octane action scenes or rapid camera movements with perfect clarity. This upgrade alone could make the FX3 II a game-changer for filmmakers. Higher resolution video. The original FX3 was already a powerhouse with 4K at 120 frames per second, allowing for silky smooth slow-motion shots. However, the FX3 II is rumored to push the limits further, potentially offering 4K at 180 frames per second for even greater slow-motion flexibility. This enhancement would enable filmmakers to slow down action sequences with breathtaking detail, capturing every droplet in a splash scene or every fragment in an explosion with cinematic precision. Some industry sources even suggest Sony might introduce 8K recording, aligning with the growing demand for ultra-high-definition content. If true, this would position the FX3 II as a future-proof camera, capable of delivering unparalleled detail and clarity for professional productions. Sony is known for its cutting-edge autofocus technology, and the FX3 II is expected to take it even further. The camera is rumored to integrate Sony's latest AI-powered autofocus system, significantly enhancing subject tracking, eye detection, and focus accuracy, especially in low-light conditions. This could mean effortless subject tracking even in chaotic scenes, making it an invaluable tool for documentary filmmakers, sports cinematographers, and event videographers. Whether you're filming a fast-moving athlete or a subject emerging from shadows, the AI-driven autofocus ensures razor-sharp precision without hunting or hesitation. Handling and thermal management have always been crucial in compact cinema cameras, and Sony seems to be addressing these concerns head-on. The FX3 II is rumored to feature a more ergonomic design, improving grip and balance for handheld shooting. This would make long shooting sessions more comfortable, reducing fatigue for run-and-gun filmmakers. Additionally, an upgraded cooling system is expected to mitigate overheating, especially during extended 4K or 8K recording sessions. This improvement could ensure longer uninterrupted takes, crucial for professional productions where retakes can be costly. One of the biggest pain points for filmmakers is battery endurance, especially when shooting on location. The FX3 II is expected to offer improved battery efficiency, potentially extending continuous recording time up to 100 minutes. This would be a substantial upgrade, allowing filmmakers to capture more content without constantly swapping batteries. Whether shooting a lengthy interview, a live event, or a single-take sequence, the enhanced battery life could provide much-needed reliability for professionals working in high-pressure environments. If these rumored upgrades become a reality, the Sony FX3 II will not just be an incremental update. It will be a major leap forward for Sony's compact cinema line. With next-gen sensor technology, ultra-high-resolution recording, AI-powered autofocus, improved ergonomics, and extended battery life, this camera could redefine expectations in the professional filmmaking world. Whether you're a documentary filmmaker, a commercial shooter, or a content creator pushing creative boundaries, the FX3 II might just be the perfect tool for your next masterpiece. Sony isn't just refining its compact cinema lineup, it's redefining industry standards. The FX3 II is expected to introduce groundbreaking innovations that solve long-standing challenges for filmmakers. Global shutter technology. No more motion distortion. Unlike traditional rolling shutters, which cause warping in fast-moving shots, the FX3 II's global shutter exposes all pixels at once, eliminating distortion. Action scenes, sports footage, and VFX work will benefit from crystal-clear motion capture without the dreaded jello effect. Fanless silent operation, perfect for audio-sensitive shoots. Sony is rumored to introduce an advanced heat dissipation system, removing the need for cooling fans. This means zero mechanical noise, making the FX3 II a game-changer for documentary filmmakers, live performance recordings, and interview setups where pristine audio is crucial. AI-assisted shooting, smarter, faster filmmaking. Sony's AI-driven autofocus and scene detection will automate exposure, focus, and white balance, allowing filmmakers to concentrate on storytelling instead of manual adjustments. Ideal for run-and-gun filmmakers, solo creators, and unpredictable lighting conditions, this technology ensures flawless shots every time. Final thoughts. With global shutter tech, silent operation, and AI-powered automation, the FX3 II could revolutionize independent filmmaking and professional content creation. If these features materialize, Sony won't just be keeping up with the industry, it'll be leading it. Every camera upgrade aims to solve specific problems, and Sony FX3 II is no exception. Here's how it's addressing key industry concerns. Eliminating rolling shutter issues. Global shutter technology ensures fast-moving subjects and action shots remain free of distortion. Improved low-light performance. The upgraded sensor is expected to enhance low-light capabilities, allowing filmmakers to shoot in darker environments without excessive noise. Better battery life for longer shoots. Filmmakers using the FX3 often complained about limited battery life. With the rumored 100 minutes of continuous recording, Sony is addressing this major pain point. More efficient heat management. The original FX3 faced occasional overheating issues during extended shoots. The FX3 II is expected to introduce a more advanced cooling system to enable longer recording sessions without interruptions. More compact, yet feature-packed. Many high-end cinema cameras are bulky and expensive. The FX3 II aims to provide professional-level video quality in a compact form factor, making it an excellent choice for run-and-gun filmmaking. According to current industry speculation, the Sony FX3 II could be announced by their arriving before Q3 of 2025. As for pricing, it's expected to be in the range of $3,800 to $4,200, making it a competitive option for independent filmmakers, content creators, and documentary shooters. The Sony FX3 II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact cinema cameras in recent years. With cutting-edge technology, enhanced video capabilities, and a refined design, Sony is once again pushing the boundaries of filmmaking. If these rumored features turn out to be true, the FX3 II could become the go-to camera for professionals and enthusiasts alike. What do you think about the rumored Sony FX3 II? Are these features enough to make you upgrade? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth camera insights.